In this video I'm going to show you how to download Ubuntu latest and convert like latest desktop release, that is at the moment 19.04 and 18.04, which is LTS release. So whatever version of Ubuntu you want to download and install, the process is going to be the same. So after downloading it, I'm going to convert it and make it basically a bootable on USB thumb drive or flash drive, and then going to download it on a desktop laptop. If you want to download it and install it along with Microsoft Windows 7, 8 or 10, the process is going to be the same. Okay, so here we are. So let's first of all go ahead and download it. So go to ubuntu.com and under downloads, click on downloads basically, and then you can see we have at this moment basically two releases, 18.04 which is LTS, and then 19.04 which was just released I think this month in April 2019. So this is 22nd I guess today. So let's go ahead and download 19.04. So you don't have to do anything. Time to time this download page keeps changing, so you will have to figure this out. If you see, if you want to donate, you can do that, and then you can download it if you can. So okay, so download did not start, it's taking a bit longer. However, what I've done, I already have downloaded the ISO file, so, and it's here under downloads folder. Here it is. Okay, so Ubuntu 19.04, and then once it's downloaded, we need to insert the USB flash drive into the USB port, and the flash drive at least needs to be like 4 GB, and if you have some data on it, simply transfer it. It's going to be formatted in the process, so you will lose all the data, so make sure you format it. Once it's done, like you have inserted the USB flash drive, then we will need to have Rufus software that is going to help us make the USB flash drive a bootable drive. So basically it's going to make the Ubuntu ISO file bootable on USB flash drive, right? So let's go ahead and download it. Go to rufus.ie and go to downloads section, and then at the time whenever you're going to download it, download the latest release. So to save time, I basically have downloaded it. So once it's downloaded, locate this rufus.exe file, and then hit on it, and then say yes to download it. Okay, so this is Rufus software. This has already detected basically the flash drive. So if you have inserted and then launched this Rufus software, it's going to detect the USB flash drive on your system. Then we need to, second option is we need to select the bootable ISO image. So click on select and locate to wherever your ISO file is and select it and hit open. Then we need to do nothing here. Basically you can check this box to check device for bad blocks, and then start, hit on start, say okay. You can read it. Data on the device, the USB flash drive will be destroyed. So if you want to transfer something, you can do that. Now this is going to do everything for us. Basically going to make this ISO file bootable on this flash drive, and this is going to take some time. So once it's done, I'll be right back. Thank you for your patience. You can see it's ready and this USB flash drive is now bootable with this Ubuntu 19.04. I'm going to close it now, wherever you wish from, and then going to eject the USB flash drive. Now let's go ahead and start the other computer, desktop, whatever you have, and insert this bootable drive in the USB port and press F12 or delete depending on what system you have to get into the BIOS setting to select USB flash drive as a primary bootable device for one time. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. To install this Ubuntu 19.04, and it's here. You can see it. I'm just going to start the system, and on the system I'm going to press F12 to boot in the BIOS setting, and I'm going to select USB storage device as a legacy boot and going to press enter. And you can see it here. It's just trying to boot from this USB bootable drive, and we will have 19.04 option page where from we can launch it just or install it. So I'm going to install it now. My system has like i5 processor, Intel i5, and 4 GB of RAM only, so it's taking a bit longer. I'm not sure. It does take. So this is Ubuntu option page, and you can see I'm going to hit on install Ubuntu. It's already selected US keyboard. You can see here keyboard layout, and I'm going to click on continue. Here I'm going to select the Wi-Fi network. Let's see, where is it? Let's see. Okay, here it is. Enter, going to enter the password. If I remember it correctly, let's see. Connect. And guess what? I'm connected now. I'm going to click continue. And here you can see once the Wi-Fi is connected, it's already selected like normal installation, download, updates while installing Ubuntu. I also want to have the third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. Once this is selected, you simply go ahead and click continue and wait for the next page. Okay, so Ubuntu 19.04 is a bit faster. You feel like it's a bit like lighter when it runs. So I'm still waiting for it. Okay, here we are. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select, so whatever options you have, if you want to erase everything and install Ubuntu, you can check this one. If you have something like I already have 19.04, I can. If you have 18.04 or 17, 16, whatever, you can check the box, the radio button, and then the previous Ubuntu will be deleted, and this latest one will be installed. But what we are going to do, we are going to select something else. This is going to help in every case. Okay, so whether you're doing a stand-alone installation or along with Microsoft Windows 10 or what do you call it, Mac OS. So you can see we've got NTFS. That is basically for Microsoft Windows. So in my case it's 7, we need to delete or format these two drives. So basically I'm going to select the swap area and then hit minus button here, and that is going to be free space. Now you can see free space, and I'm going to select the ext4 where the Ubuntu is installed. I'm going to hit minus button. So we have a lot of free space area here. You can see we need to create one swap area and then one home area. So I'm going to the RAM is 4 GB, so I'm going to keep around like double the size of RAM, almost double, and over here select swap area and then hit OK. You can see the swap area will be created in a moment, and then select here the swap area. Now let's go ahead and select the free space again and hit on plus. So this time leave the size, the entire size, and here I'm going to keep it selected like ext4. You can keep it ext3 or ext4, and then select this one, the slash area, and then hit OK. So that's two partition we need. That's going to be minimum. And then once it's selected, you can go ahead and select it. So this is where we are going to install now Ubuntu 19.04, 18.04, whatever you have. So ext4 is selected, hit on install. Read it. It's going to format these two drive areas, swap and ext4, and hit on continue. Okay, select the location wherever you are. For me it's India, and hit continue. A quick name, I'm going to say password, a weak password. I like to keep the weak one. Okay, so I'm happy with this. Who are you? Continue now. Okay, so this is going to install Ubuntu 19.04, and this will take some time. So once it's done, I'll be right back. Okay, so you can see it is still installing all the packages, so it's going to take a few more minutes. Once it's done, I'll be right back. Alright, so installation is done. Now it's asking you to restart the desktop and hit on reinstart now. Okay, so it has just restarted. You can see it has grub version, you can see 2.02, and this automatically booted into Ubuntu 19.04. You must be seeing it now, and I'm just waiting for the login screen here. 19.04 is supposed to be a bit faster, so this is basically the user, and I'm going to enter the password, and here we are. Now we will see the 19.04 screen here in a moment, and here we are. This is 19.04. So okay, it's a bit faster. This is basically setup page, connect to online accounts. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question or difficulty installing Ubuntu on your system, please leave comment below so that I can answer it and help you install it. So thank you so much again. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.